Sibingelele sikwamukele indaba yenze ihora lesikhombisa kusihlwa sibingelele nakuwe mbukeli osibuka ku DTT igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwamwali kanti ke njengenjwayelo sengifike eqathatha uzokuthamndela ngazo zonke indaba zosuku angabe ngisapholisa amaseka ke angene kuzo zisashisa bhe nazi ehamba phambili kuleli hora.
There are 12 people that have been identified, people of interest, by names, some of them by address, some of them by the cars they drive.
Abalelwa emashumini amabili nomuvo amaloli angqongqiswe ngomlilo KwaZulu-Natal, eLimpopo kanye naseMpumalanga lokho kudalulwe ungqongqosho wamaphoyisa uBhekicele nobelandisa ngenyathelo ukunqanda ukubhebhetheka kwalezi igameko.
3 unknown men entered this premises and they opened fire on people that were in the premises as well as in the immediate surrounding.
Kudutshulwe kwabulawa abantu abayisithupha kwathi abane balimala esigamekweni esenzeke kwanobuhle Kariga Eastern Cape.
When we are trailing, sometimes it becomes difficult for us to come back and win or get a draw.
Obambe njengomqeqeshi webafana uMurena Ramorobeli uthi kumhlaba umxhwele ukuyimisela akubona kubadlali bakhe emqhudelwaneni weCOSAFA Cup njengoba sebengene esigabeni esandulela owamanqamu. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uBhekicele uthi sebehlonze abantu abayi12 okungenzeka ukuthi bayanindeke igamekweni zokuthungelwa ngomlilo kwamaloli esifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal, iMpumalanga kanye neLimpopo. Angamashumi nomuvo ke amaloli angqongqiswe ngomlilo kusukela ngempela sonto kulezi ifundazwe.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa kanye nezikhulu eziphezulu zalomnyango usengathe isithangamisa bezindaba namhlanje nalapho bekubhungwa kwamaloli. Undosi uthi umnyango wakhe usukhuphule isibalo samaphoyisa emgwaqeni emikhulu yakuleli.
We have increased our highway patrols as the police, especially on those suspected routes. There are 12 people that have been identified, people of interest, by names, some of them by address, some of them by the cars they drive.
Lomnyango uthi uqoqezo bonhloli mayilana nalezi gameko okholakala ukuthi zihleliwe.
Intelligence was available but not specific as to where and what. Hence we had deployments already on our highways. We have beefed them up now and we think we'll keep on beefing them up.
Ucele uqhube wathi abukho ubufakazi obuphathekayo bokuthi izigameko zokushiswa kwamaloli zihlobene nezibhelu zangoNtulikazi ka2021 ezazihambisana nokuzitapela ezitolo.
There is no evidence before us to suggest that the recent target on trucks are in any way related to link to the July insurrection. I wish to take this opportunity to allay any fears that in July 2021 will repeat itself.
Bangamashumi ayisithupha abasola bakhalelwe ngamasongo kaSigonyela ngenxa yezibhelu zango2021.
Kusenjalo umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa wexwayise ngokuthi ngeke ibekezelelwe izenzo zobugebengu bokuthungelwa ngomlilo kwamaloli athwala impahla njengoba einsuku nezimbala sekushiswe amaloli angaphezulu kwama20 ezifundazweni ezintathu. Ubekhuluma ke embuthanweni obubanjelwe enkanjini yamasosha eNiger ngesikhathi kuhlonishwa intsha esanda kuphothula ukuqeqeshelwa amakhono ngokohlelo olwethulwa uhulumeni.
Umengameli wezwe ufuna ukuthi baboshwe bonke labo abayizephula umthetho ngokushiswa kwamaloli empahla KwaZulu-Natal naseMpumalanga kanye naseLimpopo.
We will not allow South Africa to be lawless. We will not allow South Africa to have people who are running around on the rampage, destroying the economic assets of our country. We will not allow those who intend to sabotage the economy of our country to have their way.
Kulombuthano obewethanyelwe umengameli, injabulo ibiqhame bha kulabo asebephothule uqeqesho lwabo.
We're going to do a lot because after here, we're supposed to go to colleges and we're going to learn different skills. Take me, for example, I'm going to be a librarian. I'm going to fall under sports and recreation. Others are going to do plumbing, solar maintenance. It's a lot. Other people, luckily, they're going to be employees because we had neither in this skills program. So they were taught how to start their own businesses and to prove themselves.
This is a new, vibrant approach from the government to empower the youth. And I think for the National Development Plan Vision 2030 to reduce poverty and inequality, this is an absolutely great initiative.
Umengameli Ramaphosa udalule nokuthi uhulumeni uhlose ukwandisa inhlelo zalolu hlobo ukuze sifinyelele entsheni eningi engasebenzi kakhulukazi yasezindaweni zasemakhaya.
ICOPE isisuliwe ohlunilwe inkampani eyisemthethweni ekhomishwaneni egunyaza ukuba semthethweni kweinkampani kuleli iCIPC. Lokho kudalulwe encwadini yabameli bomunye wabaholi beqembu uWilly Madisha. ICOPE yabhaliswa njengenkampani ngo-2008 kepha ke sabhalisiwe njengeqembu lezombusazwe ekhomishwaneni eyimele ebhekele ukhetho kuleli. Okhulumela ICOPE kuzolonke uDennis Blom uthi babiza umhlangano ophuthumayo wesigungu esiphezulu seqembu ukuzobhunga ngalolu daba. Ukhala ke nangokuthi lokho kungase kuphazamisa izinhlelo zeqembu zokhetho likazwelonke lwangonyaka ozayo.
That I personally, and I'm sure many of the COPE members were not aware that COPE was registered as a company. This is news to me. I am shocked that COPE was in fact registered as a company by Mr. Lukota and some other people. But I can confirm because I've seen this letter that came from Mr. Deputy President Madisha and Tate Hleko's lawyers.
Kudutshulwe kwabulawa abantu abayisithupha kwalimala abanye abane kwesinye isigameko kwaNobuhle eKariga eEastern Cape. Abalimele baphuthunyiswe esibhedlela.
Kusethuse wonke umuntu kwaNobuhle amaxhoba phakathi kweminyaka engama-25 kwakunye nama-35 athe asweleke ngemvula yembumbulu.
3 unknown men entered this premises and they opened fire on people that were in the premises as well as in the media. 6 people were shot dead, 4 were injured. Of the 6 that were shot dead, 5 were males and 1 was a female.
Isiganeko sesithathu sokubulawa kwesininzi sabantu kulo masipala umbaxa waseNelson Mandela Bay kulonyaka. NgoJanuwari kubulawa abantu abasibhozo kwaZakhele. Kwaphinda kwinyanga elandelayo kwabulawa abanye abane kwakule lokishi yakwaZakhele. Ngelixa engabantu abasibhozo abathe badutyulwa babulawa kwiziganeko ezimbini ezahlukeneyo kwaNobuhle kulonyaka upheleyo.
And as much as we are recovering illegal firearms, there are still thousands of firearms that are still out there. So the illegal firearms is definitely a problem.
Amapolisa arhanela unobangela wezisiganeko ziziyobisi. Amapolisa aphanda amatyala amathandathu okubulala kwakunye namane okuzama ukubulala okwangoku akabanjwa mntu kwesisiganeko. Kodwa amapolisa sezithendeni zabarhanelwa kwindaba ze-SABC ndingumcebisi Ngqina ndisedinarha.
Sithanda ke ukwexwayisa ababukeli abanenhliziyo ezisheshe zizwele ngalombiko olandelayo. Uthuka izanya umphakathi waselusikisiki eEastern Cape emva kokutholakala kwesidumbu sowesifazana osemncane sicuywe izitho zomzimba. Kukholakala ukuthi ke lesi sigameko sihlobene nodlame olweyamene nobulili.
Kubulawa ngongenalusini kwasekhini aze akhuthulwe amalungu omzimba ngendlela engenalusini. Abantu balommandla bakhwanqisekile sesisenzo esimanyukunyezi. Usapho lwakavimbelo kunzima ukuba likholele ukuba ngenene intombi yalo ibulawe ngalendlela impi kangaka.
Sawufumana lo mzimba ungumzimba olahliweyo ecaleni kwendlela. Sele uwonakele. Xa sijonga phaya usikiwe phezingalweni kwathathwa nobuntombi obakhe.
Oku kugwintwa kwalentombazana kuxiphuke kabukhali
Make sime ngoku make silwe ilali nelali umzi nomzi ifamily nefamily mayithi ayizukwenzeka kuleyami ifamily sifuna ukuba sibamisane sonke ingaphinde yenzeke into enje.
Inkxaso iza kwiinkalo zonke.
Singumasipala sizimisele into bana sincedisane necommunity yalapha ngezixhobo zokuzikhusela, which is i-community safety forums esizenzayo kwilali nelali. Enkosi.
Kuvulwe ityala ngokubulawa ngokunalusini yaye amapolisa ayaqhubeka nophando akukabanjwa mntu kwangoku. Ndinkululeko Nyembezi weendaba ze-SABC elusikisiki.
Zisazoqhubeka izinsuku zobumnyama namakhaza ngemva kokuthi iEskom imemezele isigaba sesine nesesithupha sohlelo lokucisha ngogesi namhlanje. Isigaba sesine salolu hlelo siqale ngehora lesikhombisa ekseni kwase kuthi ke sesithupha saqala ngehora lesibili ntambama. iEskom ithi ukubuyisa kwezigaba eziphezulu zalolu hlelo kubangwe ukufa kweziphehli zayo ezahlukene. Lesi sikhungo esiphinde sabalula ukusetshenziswa ngokweqile kwamaziko asebenzisa udiesel njengezinye ke zezizathu eziholele kulokhu. Ngaphansi kwesigaba sesithupha izakhamuzi zakuleli zizohlala amahora angaphezulu kwayisithupha zingenawo ugesi ngosuku. Lokhu kwenzeka nje hayi amakhaza abuza ukuthi ungubo ngaki kuzwelonke ngemva phela kokuba likhithikile ngomsombuluko. Ibhange elihlanganise amazwe omhlaba angaphansi kwe-BRICS elasungulwa ngonyaka u-2015 selimemezele ukuthi lizoxhasa inhlelo zokuthumela ugesi eNingizimu Afrika.
We are surpassing our expectation in relation to the performance of the units, and we are more than confident that we should be able will not experience the worst case scenario as we had projected, and will continue to see the improvements, and I'm very confident that load shedding will be behind us very soon.
Lamazwi ashiwo ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela Khosiyenzo Ramokgopa. Einsukwini ezimbalwa ezedlule nje kepha ukuthunyelwa kogesi kuyaqhubeka nokuba ingqinamba enkulu.
If you don't address the transmission side of generation, we are likely going to end up in even a much worse case scenario than is the case now.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi lenkinga kumele ixazululwe ngokusheshsha.
On the transmission issue, and as I said, we need to come up with a number of innovative ways. It's a big ticket item to improve the transmission of the grid, or to improve, yes, the grid that is transmission. So we are going to have to come up with innovative ideas, and some of them would be partnering with the private sector.
Ibhange le-BRICS lithi likulungele ukusiza eNingizimu Afrika. Kulindeleke ukuthi liphinde lenze esinye isimemezelo futhi engqongqotheleni ye-BRICS ezobanjwa eGoli. Leli bhange lizophinde ligubhe iminyaka eyisishiyagalombili lasungulwa.
Abahlaziyi bathi ikomiti lesigaba 194 likubeke kwacaca ukuthi ngeke lisawabekezelela amaqhinga omvikelo omphakathi osamisiwe uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane okubambezela uphenyo olumayelana nobuqotho bakhe bokuba kulesi sikhundla.
Ukho ukubethabethana kwezimvo phakathi kukaMkhwebane nosihlalo wale komiti uQubudile Jantyi. uJantyi uthi uMkhwebane khange ayilandele imimiselo yale komiti ukuze aphendule imibuzo.
For not responding to the written questions posed by members and evidence leaders, the suspended public protector has done a disservice to herself, her cause, and to the credibility of the institution of the Public Protector South Africa.
uJantyi uthi le komiti ilungiselela ukuqoshelisa umsebenzi wayo.
Her continued non-response to questions actually mean that we may produce a report much sooner than the initially planned date of the 28th of July, because there will be no reason for the chairperson not to direct evidence leaders to do the summation earlier than planned.
Kodwa uMkhwebane yena ulungiselela ukufaka isicelo sokuba uJantyi aziguzule kwisihlalo sakhe.
We aim to have the recusal application filed by today, but latest it will be delivered by tomorrow.
Iingcali zomthetho zithi le komiti ayizimiselanga ukulibaziseka.
The Section 194 committee have made it clear to Busisiwe Mkhwebane that they will no longer tolerate her delaying tactics.
Amagqwetha akhokela le komiti nawo alungiselela ukufaka ingxelo yokugqibela namhlanje kwiindaba ze-SABC. Ndingubulelani Philip eParlamente.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal usuhlonze iy'nselele ezaholela ekutheni omasipala bambalwa kulesi sifundazwe bathola imiphumela engagculisi embikweni wezemali womcwaningo mabhuku omkhulu onyakeni wemali u-2021-2022.
La uthukela umzinyathi kanye nomsunduzi nolundi baphakathi komasipala bali-13 esifundazweni abehlele ezigabeni eziphansi kunalezo abebekuzo ngaphambilini ecutshungulweni kwamabhuku. Umzinyathi wona wafakwa ngaphansi kweso lomlawuli kusukela ngo-2016. Kanti umbiko womcubunguli mabhuku jikelele uveze phakathi kwezinto ukuthi lo masipala uye waphambuka kwinqubo yokuthenga impahla. Lo masipala ukhala ngokuthi abantu abalethwa uhulumeni ukuzosiza omasipala kwesinye isikhathi kusuke kungabantu abasuke behlulekile emsebenzini ababeyenza ngaphambilini.
Ngithi umengameli wethu kaSalga umnumzana uStofile nomnumzane wala KwaZulu-Natal usihlalo umnumzana uNtuli sebeyikhulume kaningi nabo lento nathi sikhulumile NCOP ukuthi ayekwe lento ngoba inzondo nje uma umuntu engalizondela iqembu noma kukhona ama camp enhlanganweni vele kusetshenziswa administrator umuntu ohlulekile kowakho umasipala ongakaze nje awine ngalutho kuthiwa i-expect.
Umasipala umsunduzi nawo wehlele esigabeni esingaphansi kunalesi owawukuso ngokwedlule. Umbiko kamcubunguli mabhuku jikelele ku-2021 kuya ku-2022 uveze ukuthi lo masipala uyahluleka ukuqoqa imali okweledwa yona nokudale ukuthi sikhule isikweletu lo masipala asikweleta u-Eskom nomngeni water.
Ngaqoqi emanzini zongaqoqi kugas namanzi asilahlekelayo through ama illegal connections or la kuvuza khona amapayipi.
Undunankulu waKwaZulu-Natal uNomusa Dube Ncube ugxeke izinga eliphezulu lokusetshenziswa kwezinkampani ezizimele kwabanye omasipala yize kunabantu abaqashelwe loyo msebenzi.
Abanye omasipala noma umnyango wakakhokta ezama ukuthi abasize banokuthi bangafuni ukusizakala.
Uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthi uzoqhubeka nokusiza omasipala abathintekayo ukuze nendlela abaletha ngayo intuthuko ebantwini ibe ngcono. Ngingononhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC eThekwini.
Ibamba lomqeqeshi weBafana uMorena Ramurobedi uthi kumhlaba umxhelo kuyimisela akubona kubadlali bakhe emqhudelanweni weCOSAFA Cup njengoba sebengene esigabeni esandulela owamanqamu emva kokwehlula elaseSwatini ngama-2-1.
iBafana ingenelwe amagoli kuqala emidlalweni yayo emithathu njengoba kokuqala bedlale ngokulingana ngegoli elilodwa neNamibia. Nasemidlalweni wesibili neBotswana babuye belandele emuva. Emidlalweni wayizolo nelaseSwatini obekudingekana kanjani bawunqobe babuye kunzima bagcina bewunqoba ngama-2-1 nokwenze ukuthi Bafana iqede iqhwakele phezulu kulog kaGroup A.
If you look back, South Africans in most matches when we are trailing, sometimes it becomes difficult for us to come back and win or get a draw. But it simply says that mentally these boys are very strong because they have the will and they believe that they will win.
Mabasa ongene eqhamuka ebhenchini uyena otakule iBafana kulomdlalo ngamagoli akhe amabili.
That's football. We need to understand that one match does not make a player, like does not make you a bad player just in one match. And sometimes you need coaches who will believe in you as a player when you are down and give you confidence.
Umqeqeshi asekubhekile njengamanje umdlalo wanduleli wamanqamu lapho bezobhekana khona neZambia. Yombili imidlalo yanduleli wamanqamu izodlala ngoLwesihlanu kanti oqala uzoba phakathi kweMalawi neLesotho.
Uzoba ngolwezi nonyaka umjaho iSoweto kanti nebhangi iAfrican seliqinisekisile ukuthi lizoxhasa lomjaho kuye kwaba nembiko ke engaqinisekiswanga ezikhathini ezedlule ukuthi lomjaho waminyaka yonke uzomiswa ngenxa yokuntuleka kwemali.
Buzo ngokuthi ngabe lo mjaho uzosingathwa noma cha kulonyaka
Kepha ngemuva kokumenyezelwa komxhaso omusha kumenyezelwe ukuthi lo mjaho uzoba mhla zinhlanu insuku kuLwezi.
This event's got the history, and then we are not going to allow the situation whereby we will cancel this event. And don't forget, most of Soweto, they are benefiting out of this race. And then the tourists, they like Soweto. And then some of the tourists, they come to Soweto and run Soweto Marathon. In return, they will stay in Soweto so that they can plow back and give money to Soweto businessmen and support and buy in Soweto.
Indaba ezimnandi kubasubathi ukuthi ehlisiwe imali yongenela lo mjaho kulonyaka uma kuqhathaniswa neyanyakenye.
What we say, there was an outcry and athletes were crying and saying our entry fee was too high. We then said and weighed options. What is important here? Is it to increase the prize money and keep the entry fee the same? We said no. Let's keep the prize money the same, which is a decent amount.
Lo mjaho uzoqala enkundleni yeFNB uphinde uphelele khona. Kanti ukubhalisela ukungenela kuzovulwa phakathi kwamabili kuwebsite at sowetomarathon.com.
Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela ngemva kwekhefu nesangoma sezulu umkhushulwa wakwaMsimanga.